Hi, I'm Jeff LaFleur, Assistant Plant Facilities Administrator for Deer Park School District. This building is the Memorial Building. I believe this building was built in the 50s. We have terrazzo floors in this building as we do throughout most of our schools. At some point they started applying wax. We have stripped them down completely bare, and so Malish came in and showed us our Diamond Devil shine tool. After we ran the shine tool on top of my polished floor, we realized that floors could look a lot better. At first I was a little skeptical because our floors looked what I thought looked really good. We were looking for a process to help us eliminate the wax on our floors and to help the safety around for our employees. With the shine tool, when you're done with the floor and you look down the hallway, it looks like it's wet, and we have people that ask us, can we walk down that? And there's nothing there. So the polish, the shine, the reflection, it's amazing compared to what it used to be. It still looks 1,000 times better than any hallway that was ever waxed or an unwaxed hallway. Since there's no chemicals being used, we do use it during the day. You would think that it would be a little bit louder, but it's not as loud as most people think. So during a school day, we can go through the hallways and clean up and polish it without losing extra time. Most of the other companies that I brought in during my demos to try and see what we can do with our floors, most, if not all of them, had a hardener or some sort of treatment that had to be done afterwards and then had to be stripped off in 5 years. One of the benefits of using the shine tool is that afterwards there is no hardeners or chemicals that have to go back onto the floor. If I had to rate the Diamond Devil shine tool, I would definitely rate it as a 10. There's been nothing bad about it. Look at our floors, look at the results. It's been great.